Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Welcome to HECTANOOGA 1. Please share the links to my videos on your social media sites and please subscribe. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet the knit stitch. So let's get started. To do the knit stitch, I've started out with just a row of single crochet and I'm going to turn. So usually you would single crochet into this stitch in that natural opening, but to work the knit stitch you're going to look for the upside down V. There it is there, and so you're going to work into the upside down V and complete your single crochet. Now find the next upside down V, and there it is right there, and go into the upside down V and complete the single crochet. Go to the next one, there's the upside down V, single crochet. So I'm going to work across the row, and then I'll show you how to work the next row. So work all the way across, finding that upside down V and working into that stitch. Right there. And the last one of the row is here. And there's the first row. So now I'm going to chain one and turn. And I'm going to look for that upside down V. And there it is. And I'm going to work across the row. Okay, so I'm going to work a few rows and I'll come and show you how it looks. Okay, I've gone ahead and I have worked a few rows. And your work is going to look exactly the same on the front and on the back. And you can see it looks more like knitting than crochet, but it's going to result in a thicker texture, so it's probably good for making mittens or hot pot pads or something where you need a thicker texture, or you could use a thinner yarn. So there you go, there's the knit stitch in crochet. I hope you enjoyed learning this new stitch. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.